In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, this is Muhammad Ibrahim, the math teacher. These recordings are for المجد International Schools. This video is for Grade 3, Unit 10, Lesson 7. We will learn in this lesson what is fraction, what is the whole number, how to represent fractions as one whole. Fractions as one whole, page 607. The number up in the fraction we call it numerator. The number of parts we have, it means the number of parts we have. The number down under the fractional bar, this number we call it denominator. It means the total parts in whole. Use numerator and denominator to describe a fraction. Let's take one part. As you see, this is a whole number, and we divided it into 4 equal pieces. Let's take one part. We will express this part as 1 over 4 or 1 out of 4. One part out of 4 parts. The number up called numerator, the number down is denominator. This is a guided practice at page 608. Write a fraction to represent the shaded part of each whole or set of wholes. You must know that any number over itself gives you 1. Any number over itself gives you 1, except 0 over 0. As you see here, how many parts do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we shaded or colored 8 parts out of 8. Here, how many oval shape we have shaded or colored? We shaded 4 out of 4. At page 609, another practice. Write a fraction to represent the shaded part of each or a whole or set of wholes. Here, we colored 4 parts out of 4. 2 shapes out of 2. 2 out of 2. 6 out of 6. 8 out of 8. And here also 8 out of 8. Another practice, page 609. Write each whole number as a fraction. Write each whole number as a fraction. Take this example as a training for you. Take this example as a training for you. I will just try to clarify something. This is a whole number. Whole number means integer. Any integer, we call it as whole number. Whole number. It means full number. For example, if you have 3 reals and half, 3 is integer or whole number. The half is a fraction. Okay? So, what is the number divided over another number? Gives you 4. You may write 8, yes, over 2, excellent. You may write 12 over 3, because you know that 12 over 3, if you write here 12 over 3 gives you 4. 16 over 4 gives you 4. 20 over 5 gives you 4. Try to do the rest. This is another example at page 609. Find the missing numerators and denominators, then circle the model that is not a fraction for one whole. Okay. At this shape, we colored only 5 parts out of 6. At this shape, we colored only 4 parts out of 4. 3 out of 3. Last one, 2 out of 2. Okay. What is the shape which doesn't express any whole number? Yes, very good. Number 15, it's 5 over 6. 5 over 6, it's not a whole number. But 4 over 4 gives you 1, and you know 1 is a whole number. Okay, write three different fractions equivalent to 1. I told you that any number over itself gives you 1. So 4 over 4, 1. 5 over 5 equal 1. 6 over 6 equal 1. Another example at page 610. Tim has 7 magazines. He gave all of them to Mike. Write a fraction that represents the part of the magazines Tim gave to Mike. Then write the fraction as a whole number. Okay, he has 7 magazines. He gave 7 out of 7. He gave 7 magazines to Mike. So it's 7 out of 7. 7 over 7 gives you 1. This is an essential question. Building on the essential question, how can whole number be represented as a fractions? By dividing the number by itself, or by dividing the number over a number which is divisible with. Okay? This is your homework, my dear student, page 611. Don't forget to do it. Write a fraction to represent the shaded part of each whole. And page 612 also. This is your homework. Thank you for watching me, and good luck.